If you've decided to reopen your closed Uber account, the process is straightforward. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to Help. In the app, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Help to access support options. Step 3. Select Account and Payment. In the Help section, choose Account and Payment to find options related to your account status. This will lead you to various account-related issues. Step 4. Choose I want to reactivate my account. Look for the option that states I want to reactivate my account. This will provide you with the necessary information and steps to proceed with reactivation. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive confirmation from Uber regarding the status of your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for further assistance.